If you're looking to achieve flawless, natural-looking brows with salon-level precision right at home, the Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil is your new must-have beauty essential. Designed with an ultra-fine tip that mimics the appearance of real brow hairs, this pencil delivers precise strokes for creating fuller, more defined arches with complete control, whether you're sculpting, filling, or just adding a subtle touch-up. And thanks to its smudge-resistant formula and built-in spoolie brush, blending and shaping are effortless, ensuring your brows stay on point from morning coffee to evening glow. Available in multiple shades to match every brow tone, from soft taupe to deep espresso, this vegan and cruelty-free pencil is lightweight, easy to apply, and ideal for anyone, from makeup beginners to professional artists. Who wants a clean, polished brow look without harsh lines or overdone edges? Plus its compact, travel-friendly design makes it the perfect on-the-go brow solution for flawless definition anytime, anywhere. So whether you're heading to the office, a night out, or a photo shoot, the Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil helps you frame your face with natural elegance and long-lasting wear. Discover the power of precision and transform your beauty routine with brows that truly define you. When it comes to effortlessly defined, softly sculpted brows that still look natural, the Maybelline Total Temptation Eyebrow Definer Pencil in Deep Brown is your everyday beauty essential. Crafted with a teardrop-shaped tip that glides on smoothly, this pencil allows you to outline, fill, and shape with precision, delivering buildable color that blends seamlessly into your natural brow hairs, while the soft powdery finish keeps your look fresh, full, and never overdone. Designed for comfort and control, its creamy, glide-on formula makes application quick and mistake-proof, whether you're enhancing sparse spots or creating a bold, structured arch. And with its built-in spoolie brush, blending is as easy as a few strokes, giving you balanced, lifted brows in just minutes. Perfect for both beginners and makeup pros alike, this defining pencil is the ideal companion for daily routines, glam nights out, or on-the-go touch-ups. All while the deep brown shade flatters a wide range of skin tones and hair colors for a universally flattering, face-framing finish that holds up throughout your day. So if you're craving soft definition, easy application, and a naturally polished result, the Maybelline Total Temptation Eyebrow Definer Pencil is your go-to tool for brows that captivate with subtle strength and effortless style. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Check out our next video here, where we dive into next topic. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.